Welcome to Ifa Stories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. Olófin had the Babalawos imprisoned. Prayer, Apuan Awosa Asawo Apuan Adifafun Orosun Ile Olófin. Ebo, sacrifice. 1 goat, a hen, all kinds of food, honey, many sticks, guacalote herb, sweaty clothes, soon, smoked hutia and fish, toasted corn, and a lot of money. Story Awó Ìròṣùn Méjì went to the house of Runmila to have a consultation because Olófin had summoned him. Runmila performed the divination and told him that he needed to offer a sacrifice with 4 hens and 4 pesos, and then set out on his way. He was also told that if he encountered a poor person on the road who asked him for alms, he should give them 1 hen and 1 peso. He followed these instructions. As Ìròṣùn Méjì was on his way to Olófin's house, the poor man appeared to him 4 times. The last time, the poor man asked him where he was going. Ìròṣùn Méjì replied that he was going to Olófin's house. Then Azu, who was disguised as the poor man, said to him, "Listen. When you arrive, you will find a woman sitting in front of Olófin's house, dyeing clothes. Tell her to move aside and plant your son. Also, tell her that Olófin is not dead, that what is in the tomb is only a banana plant stump, and that he is playing with guacalote and cowries with his 16 wives, who have fallen into bad habits. Furthermore, tell Olófin to come outside and release all the Babalawos he has imprisoned, because with the mahogany and cedar tree he has in his yard, this year they will build him a coffin for his burial." Upon hearing this, Olófin came to the door and begged Ìròṣùn Méjì for forgiveness. Ìròṣùn Méjì told him that he must pay a fine to all the Babalawos he had imprisoned, a goat for each one and 100 pesos. For himself, he demanded a goat and 401 pesos. Additionally, Olófin had to tie a goat around his waist as a sign of his plea for forgiveness to Runmila. As Ìròṣùn Méjì planted his sun, he sang, "Sun ayare lasadewon onire mamawao onire." Note: Ifa says that in a gathering of Babalawos, they are all either imprisoned or, wherever the Babalawo goes, he will find many imprisoned acquaintances, or he himself will risk imprisonment. It is necessary to consult Runmila to determine whether he is the one in danger or not. Ebo, sacrifice. A goat for Runmila, and the rope used to tie it must be passed through the hands of all the Babalawos present before proceeding with the ritual for Runmila.